We're seeing some very interesting trends in the hospitality industry right now. A lot of bars that have historically done ground up construction have been holding off due to rising costs, supply chain issues, and then stagnating RevPAR growth in a lot of markets. Where we have seen volume pick up has been in distressed sales. Interestingly enough, a lot of sellers or owners and operators during COVID had depleted their CapEx reserves, and the franchisors were delaying pips. But now that we're a couple of years out of COVID, they're calling those pips due, and it's because of rising interest rates. A lot of bars are having trouble refinancing their loans and getting additional proceeds to complete their pips or renovations. And because of that, it's causing an uptick in distressed sales, which is creating more demand for bridge loans.